Hi, animal love best friends. Check it out, man. Check it out. Oh, you can't even see it really. Oh, there you go. On the ground especially, huh? Jax is sporting his holiday sweater and his cool trapper hat. He's like, whoa. Is this for real? It's for real, dude. It's for real. Oh my God. We missed the rain. He's all trying to find a way out. No way. Let's go and experience it. We never get rain anymore. Hold on. Where's the gate opener? Uh-oh. Did I forget the gate opener? Hold on. There we go. Okay. I'm fun to be able to film out here. Oh, it slowed down a little bit. Wow, you're swimming, dude! You're swimming! Holy shit! Whoa, my camera's getting really, really wet. Oh boy. I love it. Alright, I better stop filming. My phone is getting completely soaked. He's like, I don't know if I want to be out here right now. Yeah, I'm soaked already, just coming out for like a minute. It's awesome. We needed this weather so badly. And it's going to rain all day. Look, he's not supposed to be up there, but he's trying really hard to get out of the rain. Come on. No, buddy. No, no, no. I know, it sucks. Good job. How'd you get your hat dirty already? Here, just pee under the tree real quick. Ready to go back? Yeah. He's like, man, this sucks. Wow, his feet are gonna get muddy in there. Okay, no scratching today. Come on. We haven't had rain like this in so long. It's so cool. It feels awesome. I love it. I just want to pray for all of the homeless and all of the animals that are out there. It's definitely cold and it kept me up all night long. I was freezing. But yeah, definitely pray for our homeless, all homeless. I mean, it's just rough these days. But, you know, we do need this. Look at how much water is out here. I mean, it's been raining all night. And they said it's going to rain all day. Look at the drains already plugged up there. So that's going to be heading towards the street shortly. Not too surprised. Most of the drains around here are plugged up because they don't get taken care of. And then they wonder why we don't have any rainwater. Look at that. LA is the absolute worst at collecting rainwater. All this lovely rainwater that could be good and healthy for us if it was taken care of right. But they sit on it and they do nothing with it. Our LA River has been completely empty for so long. I hope this really gives us a good amount of rain. Anyways, look at them feet. Alright, you made it out. No way, dude. You're taking the long way. He's like, let me get out of that rain. Wow, you got it. You definitely got wet. No pooping out here today. You're gonna have to poop on a puppy pad, I guess, huh? He's like, yep, I'm good with that. Look at his hat is soaked. Just in that quick amount of time we went out. Hold on. Hold on. They're going back inside. He's not having it at all. He's like, come on, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this, man. Let's do it. Ooh, that was a little loud. No, you're not going that way. Come on. Are the kitties under there? Oh man, are the kitties under there? Let me see. Move. Come over here. Let me see. I can't tell. Yeah, looks like the kitties are hiding underneath the car. Poor babies. You see the kitties, Monkey? Let me see. Jax. Jax. Jax, look at me. Hey. Hello. Monkey butt. Hi. Trying to get a picture. Oh boy, come on. No way, they're freezing. It's wet. They're hiding. I can't believe they're just right here underneath the car. Okay, well that's it for our adventure. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye, man.